Hello children. In this session we are going to discuss different ways by which we can increase the production of various food crops. As we discussed in the previous session that in Palampur land is fixed, that's why there is a problem how to increase the production. So now we are going to discuss the ways by which we can increase the production of food crops. The first one is multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. Clear? To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping, and this is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. In Palampur, all the farmers grow at least two main crops, but many are growing potato as the third crop also. We have seen that one way of increasing production from the same land is by multiple cropping, means to grow more than one crop from the same piece of land. The other way is to use modern farming method. This is another way by which we can increase the production of various food crops. That is modern farming methods. What do you mean by modern farming methods? Modern farming methods means use of machines, use of fertilizers, use of insecticides, pesticides, irrigation systems, high use of HYB seeds. All these, when all these inputs are used in farming, it is known as modern farming. Till the mid 1960s, the seeds which are used for cultivation were traditional ones with relatively low yields. So till 1960s, the farmers, they are using traditional seeds which gave less yields. Farmers used cow dung and other natural manure as fertilizers. All these were readily available with the farmers who did not have to buy them. So this is the traditional method of farming, in which farmers, they use traditional seeds, cow dung as a manure to grow different crops. But the Green Revolution in 1960s, in the late 1960s, introduced the Indian farmer to cultivation of wheat and rice using high yielding varieties, HYV seeds, compared to the traditional seeds. So the HYV seeds, they give more yields as compared to the traditional seeds. So HYV seeds promise to produce much greater amount of grain on a single plant. As a result, the same piece of land would now produce far larger quantities of food grain than was possible earlier. HYV seeds, however, need plenty of water and also chemical fertilizers and pesticides to produce best results. This is the most important thing. HYV seeds, they need more water as well as more chemical fertilizers as well as pesticides to produce best results. Higher yields were possible only from a combination of HYV seeds, irrigation, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, etc. So this is what? This is modern farming, when HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, irrigations, all are used to grow different crops. It is known as modern farming methods. Now, The advantage of green revolution is seen in the states of Punjab and Haryana. Farmers of Punjab and Haryana and Western UP were the first to try out the modern farming methods in India. These are the three states, Punjab, Haryana and Western UP, which have adopted modern farming methods and increased the production of various food crops, especially wheat and rice. The farmers in these regions set up tube wells for irrigation and made use of HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers and pesticides in farming. Some of them brought farm machinery like tractors and threshers, which made plowing and harvesting faster. They were rewarded with high yield of wheat. In Palampur, the yield of wheat grown from traditional varieties was 13 kg per hectare. With the HYV seeds, the yield went up to by 3200 kg per hectare. There was a large increase in the production of wheat. Farmers now had greater amounts of surplus wheat to sell in the market. So children, we have seen that these are the two methods by which we can increase the production of various food crops. First one is multiple cropping. When we grow more than two crops from the same piece of land, it is known as multiple cropping. And modern farming methods is the method in which farmers use HYV seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation facilities to increase the production of various food crops. And it is also seen that with the use of modern farming methods, the production of various food crops increased a lot. Particularly the states of Haryana, Punjab and Western UP have taken maximum advantage of green revolution. So this is all for this session. In the next session, we will discuss some important advantage and disadvantages of green revolution. Thank you.